Good day everyone! In this video, you will be watching the different physical fitness tests and how they will be demonstrated properly with the help of our MAPE teachers. So here's the video!
Learning objectives demonstrates the understanding of participation and assessment of physical activity and physical fitness. Participates and assess performance in physical activities. Part 1. Health-related fitness, body composition, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, and strength.
In order to accomplish the physical fitness form, please use the uploaded file by your MAPE teacher, like this. So, in order to accomplish and perform the different physical fitness tests, you'll be needing these materials.
A. Body composition, body mass index or BMI.
First, we have to get our BMI, the body mass index. We have to get our weight first and get into the weighing scale. Remember to get our weighing scale in kilograms. After that, we have to identify your height and get your height in meters squared. In meters first.
Now, we're going to get your hips to waist ratio. First, you need to locate where is your waist. Now, the waist part or our waist is the first bone that you can reach after your ribs. After your ribs, the first bone that you can feel, that will be your waist. And the hips is on this part, the second bone, the big bone or the pelvic bone. Okay? So we're going to use the centimeter part of the tape measure. So getting the waist. Okay? We're getting the waist. So circumference waist is 98 centimeters. Okay? For the hips, circumference hips is 106 centimeters. So that's how you get your hips to waist ratio.
Flexibility.
So now we will be doing zipper test. So we'll start on our right hand. So Sergeant will demonstrate the first one. And after that, once you get your fingers together, we will measure using ruler by inch. Okay, inches. So from here, how many?
Per minuto may go.
So we will have now 2 inches. Okay? Next, on the left side. Left hand. If not, we will consider this one as 0. Okay?
Okay. The next test will be the sit and reach. Again, what are the materials that we're going to use? We will need a meter stick, or if you don't have a meter stick, use a tape measure. Okay? So, sit on the floor. Your back should be on the wall. Okay? Straight, back straight on the wall. Legs straight, spread out. Now, we're going to use the centimeters, okay? So, look for the 0 part. Place it between your thighs. Then, you will try to reach in. Hands overlapping each other. Now, you will bend, reach as far as you can without bending your knees. Okay? So, when you go down, this will be 3 times. So 1, 2, and the last one, 3. So you will get the farthest measurement. Okay? So that is how you will do the sit and reach.
Cardiovascular endurance,
Go.
Next, we will be doing the planking. Okay? So, just like push-up position, but this time, okay, elbows down, just like this, elbow position, legs from your head down to your legs should be straight or flat, just like in a push-up. Then, try to hold this position for 1 minute. Okay? So that is how you do the planking.
Strength.
I'm going to demonstrate how to do the push-up. We have two versions of push-up. Version for the boys and version for the girls. The first thing that I'm going to do is the version for the boys. For the boys, normal push-up position. Okay? So, from your head down to your toes, it should be flat or straight. Then, when you go down, all of your body will be going down. So that is the push-up for the boys. Now, for the push-up for the girls, okay, start on a kneeling position. Then, same thing, arms forward for your base. Then when you go down, okay, from your shoulder down to your buttocks, it should be a straight position going down. So that is how you do the push-up position. Now, we're going to demonstrate to you how to do the proper curl-ups. Okay, so sit straight like this. Hands, it will be cross on your chest or it will be on your head. Then your partner will be holding your ankle. Then when you go down, don't go throughout to the floor, only half. Then back. Okay? So, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is how you do proper curl-ups.
Part 2. Skill-related fitness. Speed, power, agility, reaction of time, coordination, and balance. Speed.
Next is, you're going to perform the jumping jacks. So, basic procedure jumping jacks. When you jump, open your legs, clap your hands on your top, above your head. Then, jump again to close. So, it's a repetition of movement. Okay? So, for 1 minute, you're going to do as many as you can jumping jacks. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, and... And that's how you do a jumping jack.
Power.
Next is the standing long jump. Now, what materials do we need? Okay? Number 1, meter stick. But if you don't have a meter stick, you can use a tape measure. Okay? So, first thing is you're going to put your tape measure or your meter stick on the floor. Just like this. Then, position yourself behind the 0 mark of the meter stick. Then try to jump. Okay? Try to jump as far as you can. Now, make sure that when you land with both feet together. Just like this. So get your measurement from 0, okay, up to the back of your foot or your heel. The nearest heel to the 0. That is how we will get your measurement during the standing long jump.
Agility.
The next test is the Hexagon Test. Now, I drew a hexagon on the whiteboard so that you can easily see it. But the real thing is you're going to put your hexagon on the floor. Okay? The hexagon should be 12 inch or a ruler, all each sides. Okay? Then you're going to stand in the middle. Okay? Then you're going to jump in and out of the hexagon. So if you're standing here, so jump outside, that's 1, back, 2, then back, 3, outside, then back, 4, 5. So the first thing is you're going to jump out outside and inside of the hexagon, going clockwise. Then when you reach the 6th side, you will go jump inside and out again, counterclockwise, going back to the number 1. Okay? You need a stopwatch because you're going to measure your speed on this test. Okay? Now, let's imagine that I have a hexagon on the floor. Okay? So when you jump, start the stopwatch, jump inside, outside, going back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's how you do the hexagon test.
Reaction time.
Now we'll be doing the stick drop test. So the performer or your classmate should sit on the floor, again, just like the sit and reach, back on the wall. Now, place your hands just like this. Okay, you will only use your index finger and your thumb. You will not look at the ruler. Okay, then try to catch the ruler when I drop it. Okay, 3, 2. So you will get the centimeter part of the stick drop test. Okay?
Coordination.
So the next test will be the paper toss. So you get an A4 paper. Okay, doesn't mean that you need a clean one. It's okay if it's a scratch paper. So crumple it just like this, or the ball. Then your stopwatch also for your measurement of the seconds that you will do or will perform the task. Then you're just going to toss the paper, alternate left and right. Then you will count how many did you make in 1 minute. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Avoid to drop the paper. The moment that the paper drops on the floor, stop the counting. So that's it for the paper toss.
Balance.
Now, the next test will be the stored balance test. Now, on this test, you will need a stopwatch. Okay. So, we're going to measure how long can you stand on one leg in a tiptoe position. So, ready? So, it's either your right leg or your left leg first. Then, the moment that you do the tiptoe, that's the moment that you're going to start your watch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is how you do the stored balance test.
Thank you and have a great day. Just remember that mapping is fun.